You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. On Tuesday, after a 3-day weekend, Tokyo traders returned to work. This week, the main focus is on the dollar/yen pair and the 140 mark, as the U.S. Federal Reserve is expected to begin a monetary easing cycle, and the Bank of Japan is preparing for a possible interest rate hike. On Tuesday, the probability of a 50 basis point rate cut rose to 67%, which is significantly higher than last week's figure of 30%. In July, the yen hit a 38-year low against the dollar, but has since begun to strengthen actively, adding more than 12% in 11 weeks. In general, on Tuesday, the dollar was near its lowest values for the year amid expectations of the start of a monetary policy easing cycle in the United States. The Bank of England is expected to leave interest rates at 5% at its meeting on Thursday, although the market estimates a 36% probability of a new rate hike. The Australian and New Zealand dollars also strengthened on Monday, reaching $0.6750 and $0.6192, respectively. Chinese markets are closed until Wednesday due to the celebration of the Mid-Autumn Festival, but the yuan is stable. The US dollar index weakened by 0.4%, dropping to 100.7, close to the 2024 low of 100.51. In the oil market, WTI quotes continue to consolidate in the range of $67.5–70.5. The key for most markets remains the size of the U.S. rate cut and subsequent forecasts that will be used to assess the economic situation in the coming months. Events that may affect markets on Tuesday include German sentiment data, U.S. retail sales, and the Canadian Consumer Price Index. And now to the crypto market. Here, prices also froze in anticipation of the decision of the United States Federal Reserve System. However, taking into account the accumulation of positions by large participants, the price finding above the support zone and plans to reduce the key rate in the United States, the most likely scenario is a resumption of Bitcoin price growth. However, not everything can be so unambiguous, and when opening any positions, it is necessary to determine in advance the acceptable risks and conditions for exiting trades, whether with profit or loss. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.